President Trump has Huawei in a death grip. They are locked out of the American market, locked out from Google, and even locked out from using American software to develop new technology. But if Joe Biden wins the presidency, Huawei might have a chance. So this video is not going to be as long, as I've already made multiple videos about President Trump and Huawei and the things that have happened between them. But with the presidential race so tight between President Trump and Joe Biden, Huawei is definitely rooting for someone, and that someone ain't Trump. So check out the video above if you want full details on exactly what the current sanctions are on Huawei. But a quick summary: Huawei is banned from installing Google's App Store on new phones. Huge blow, but not quite the knockout punch, because Huawei was already making their own App Store. The real knockout punch was when USA banned Huawei from using any American software to develop any new chips. And they also banned companies from manufacturing chips for Huawei. And both of these are the true knockout punches. Now let's imagine if Joe Biden did win. What would he change? Would he even change anything at all? So I can tell you right away that his administration definitely won't remove all the sanctions. They can't. But a former congressman has said that if Biden is elected, he will ease some of the sanctions. Not all, just some. And which of these sanctions would be lifted? Is it Google Play? Or is it the chip fabrication design part? Well, so according to the congressman, there is a fundamental difference in attitude between Biden and Trump. So Trump's administration wanted to crush Huawei by any means necessary, while Biden's administration is projected to cooperate more with China. The most likely sanction to be lifted is probably the chip fabrication part, or a partial lifting of that sanction at least. And what would most likely happen is that the United States would still ban Huawei from using American software to develop any new chips, but they would allow Huawei to fabricate existing chips with the big chip fabricators. So this would still be a crippling blow to Huawei when you're talking about future smartphones, because future Huawei smartphones would always come with old chips. But this would definitely help Huawei's existing 5G tower rollout throughout the world and in China, because then they could still fabricate their most recent chips, which are still pretty good, instead of buying the crap that MediaTek is currently providing them, namely their 28 nanometer system on chips. The other sanction to be lifted gradually are the tariffs on Chinese products, which, could make them easier to buy. So these are the best guesses by intelligent people currently in the know. And to be honest, we really have no way of knowing what the Biden administration would do until they actually win. And even if they do start being friendlier with China, that might not necessarily be a good thing for the American people. And if President Trump wins again, well, goodbye Huawei, you had a good run. Okay, alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good one.